Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is used to test that whether the median of the two related samples xi and yi are they identical or they are different from each other. So we can test this Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test assumption by taking a two-tailed test or a one-tailed test. In the two-tailed test, we will be assuming that whether the median difference is equal to 0 or is that different from 0. Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is the alternative of the paired sample t-test. So students, if you remember, under the paired sample t-test, we were assuming that the xi's and yi's observations, that means the two related samples, they are following the normal distribution or the symmetrical distribution. So normal distribution is one of the special case of the symmetrical distribution. So if that assumption of symmetry is not met, we cannot test the mean difference between the two related samples using a t-test. So the possible alternative in that case would be the non-parametric test, that is Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. So this test compares the two related samples that are observed onto the same subjects or the individuals. The two-tailed test under the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test is used to test the assumption that the median of the two related samples are the same or they are different. Let us suppose there are certain situations we can take them into account where we can testify the two related samples that whether the median difference for those particular examples is that equal to 0 or is that different from 0. For example, the effectiveness of the two drugs may be compared in order to see that whether the effect of the two drugs is the same or is that different. So for that purpose, if the data is in form of the pairs, we can take the difference and we can test that whether MD, the median difference, is that equal to 0 or is that not equal to 0. Or we can take another example where we might be interested in testing the effect of training in improving the scores of certain individuals. So we are going to take on the scores of students for one particular test, and then once they are being given a particular training, and we would have to see that whether training would have a significant impact onto the scores of the students, and we need to see that whether the training was effective in producing those results. So we can make a comparison and we can test that whether median difference between the two types of scores before the training and after the training are the same or that difference is not equal to 0. So students, for the two-tailed test where the alternative hypothesis is of type not equal or not same, that is the median difference is not equal to 0 with the pair of hypothesis H0 that the median difference is 0 and the alternative hypothesis is that it is different from 0. So we will make use of the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test to test this particular type of hypothesis. Although the distribution of the pairs xi, yi, where we are assuming that these pairs might not be following the symmetric distribution independently, but the mandatory requirement is that the distribution of the difference has to be symmetric in nature. If this assumption is true with the particular data that is being given in form of the pairs or that is a related sample, then we can apply the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test. So for a two-sided test of type H0, MD not equal to 0, so H1, MD not equal to 0, we will observe that either a sufficiently small values of T plus or a sufficiently small values of T minus will cause rejection of H0. That means the median of the population of differences is equal to 0. Therefore, the test statistic will be T plus or T minus, whichever will be smaller compared to others. So students, under the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test if your alternative hypothesis is of type MD that we are going to test. We are interested in testing that median difference, whether it is the same, that means the MD is equal to 0, or we are interested in testing the alternative hypothesis that median difference is different from 0, then we can make use of the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test, provided that the pairs for which the data or the observations is being given to us is a related sample or it is a matching sample. So we can test these pair of hypotheses using the Wilcoxon Signed Rank Test.